There's a student in the paid class. This is why I always talk about the paid class, the paid class, the paid class. If you are not in the paid class, you are the one that is losing out. I'm not the one that is losing out. So it has nothing to do with me. I attend to people in the paid class more often than I attend to others. So there's a student in the paid class that want to start shooting content, want to start putting out content. So yesterday she was complaining that she has set up her camera. She actually showed me. She has set up her lights, she set up her phone, and she's just afraid. Shoot video now. Shoot video now. She's not shooting video. She's just there. I'm like, what's the problem? Say, I'm scared. I don't know what to say. I know what to say. I'm not sure. I'm like, Jesus Christ. So I just told her, I gave her a few instructions and she followed and she was able to do something. But I promised her that today I will show her what I do that I know will work for her. So this is how to do it. You must do it like this. This is not that kind of class. So this class is me showing what I do. I want to show her how I shoot videos, like the most basic and simple way I shoot videos with my phone that is easy. So I'm doing theory, I'm doing it theoretically, critically, and practically. Those are the three that I will do now. All right. Now, what you are supposed to do is that you go open your TikTok. So this is what I do. That's what I'm showing you. Other people may have their way. I didn't say this is the standard. I didn't say you must do this. You want to shoot videos. You don't know how to shoot videos. So this is me showing you the most simplest way I shoot videos. There are many other sophisticated ways. For example, now, there's this phone here recording. There's this phone I'm using for screen recording. There's this phone that is streaming. There's a camera here. These are sophisticated stuff. There's one tripod here, another tripod here, a third tripod. There are many things happening here. There's light here. There's one power source here. There's cable here. There are many things happening on this table right now, in this room right now. So that's not the one I'm talking to you about. The simple way I shoot videos is what I want to show you. Simple. So that if you say, I cannot shoot, So I want to solve the problem of it's too hard, I'm scared, I don't know how to look at the camera. I don't know if I want to say it, the video is long, I don't know how to edit. All those plenty excuses is what I want to help you solve. So now, let's start. Now, first thing, you go to your TikTok, you open your TikTok, right? So when you open your TikTok, you click on the pause. You click on the plus, that is the plus on the bottom side of the TikTok. Now, when you click on that, on this TikTok, you can see 10 minutes, 60 seconds, and 15 seconds, right? For this video, I will be using 15 seconds will not be enough for me to explain. Okay, let me use 15 seconds so that the video will not be too large in case I want to upload it to the classes, right? Now, you see, I've been talking since, right? So what you will now do is that you will click on record. Just talk, say anything you want to say. I will do it. This is like practical, but there's another video I will shoot. I will shoot a real video doing it like this for you to see. So now I'm already talking. Just talk. Don't worry, just talk. Say anything you want to say. Don't worry, it's good, it's my face. Just be doing it. Now it's finished. Just talk. Right? So I will now click on back. I'll go back. That means I want to go back, as though I want to go back. There's this back here. I can use any of the back. So it will now show me discard the video, which is discard, start all over, or save to draft. So you save it to draft. So now I'll go to my home, which is my profile. You can see now I now have the video in my draft. This is my draft. This is it. This is the video now. So from here now, I can edit. Meaning that you have shot the video already, so you can edit the video. So the point is that when you now open this draft, this video you have shot to your draft now, you can edit it. You can cut the TikTok app has edit where you can cut the beginning of the video, the end, the middle. You can add sound, you can do effect, you can do anything you want to do. But for me, as you are starting, why do you want to do plenty things? Just post the video like that. Like just maybe cut something you don't like, remove the one you don't like, leave the one you like, and post. Again, why I showed you this pattern is that if you don't like what you have shot, you cancel, you do it again. There's no fight. So if it's 15 seconds you want to use, good. If it's 60 seconds, good. If it's 10 minutes, don't do 10 minutes, just do 60 seconds. Now, I'll shoot a video now for 60 seconds. You will see, I did not premeditate what I want to say, but I just already have an idea of what I want to say, right? So, but before I say it now, I want to do a little bit of research. I want to talk about the relationship class that is coming up on the 31st, but I want to look at the date of the 31st again to be sure the day, so that the things I want to say in the video will be accurate. But I will use the 60 seconds in the TikTok video to shoot video. That's what I will use. I will use the 60 seconds. Okay, now if you have any questions as you are listening, you can ask me so that I can easily explain while I am on this matter right now. It will be good that you have any question, you can ask me so that I can explain. Okay, I want to shoot the video now as practical so that you can see that it's not rocket science. You are the one that don't want to shoot. There's no perfection. Stop waiting to be perfect. I've taught that one many times, so I'm not going to talk about that one. I'm just here to show you the technicality of how you can get this thing done. Don't worry whether your light is too fine or it's not fine. I just told you now that there are 3 cameras in front of me now. 3 cameras in doing all what I'm doing now. One is streaming live, one is here recording, another one is here. So setting the light to fit on all 3 cameras is a lot of technical work. We are not doing that. Just forget about being perfect. Put out the content. All right, now I will go back to the recording, but before then, let me go to click on screen record again so that you will have the sample real life version of what I'm about to do now. Okay, so I'll click on the plus sign. Yes, on the 31st of this month, which is a Sunday, we're going to be having our relationship class. I repeat, on the 31st of this month is a Sunday, we're going to be having our relationship class. Our relationship class is always in the night. You know, it's romance matter, it's sex matter, so it's always sweet and sumptuous in the night. So we'll be the class is 5,000 naira. I don't miss that one. The class is 5,000. It's a one-day class. So the class can be 1 hour, it can be 2 hours, it can be 3 hours, it can be all night. It's dependent on you. Me, I'm not coming there to come and teach 5 love languages, how to break up with your boyfriend. No, you are the one that will ask questions. When you ask questions, I will not answer your questions with practical life examples. It's real questions we used to answer there. So if you say, bring one rhetorical question, I will not answer you. There's one boy, sir, if a boy is liking a girl, if I am liking a girl. Anyway, 31st of this month, I will see you in the relationship class. Have a great day. Yes. So let me shoot it again. So at this point, I'm going to start the recording again. Yes, on the 31st of this month, which is a Sunday, we're going to be having our relationship class. For those who have been in relationship class, you already understand. But for those who have never been there, so let me tell you what we do. I don't used to come there with a topic that I want to teach. Maybe, for example, 5 love languages, how to communicate with your girlfriend, how to ghost your wife, how to have a side chick. I don't used to come there with topics. You'll be the one to ask your questions, and I will answer. If you don't ask questions, the 5,000 naira that you paid is gone. I will close the class. In case you did not hear what I just said, let me say it again. The class is 5,000 naira. You have to pay 5,000 naira to join the class. And it's a relationship class. We do it in the night. It starts from any time, maybe 8, 9. We can do it all night. You know, it's sex matter, it's romance talk, it's deep talk. So you won't say it when you're in your bed, when you're lying down, and you hear very well. Anyway, see you on the 31st, and we'll enjoy our relationship talk. Have a great day. Yes, this one is very fine. It's very fine. You know, I look good. I look very good.